Okay, let's talk about men's products. So myself being a man, I'm going to share with you how I use Morrocco Method products since the 1960s. It's hard to believe so long. Started off hand making them in a bathtub for my clients, and now I have a factory selling it globally all over the world through the internet. Even though in the winter I grow my beard, I shave the underneath, and then in the spring and fall, I open this up and I shave. But I like to use the Blood of a Dragon styling gel for shaving. It's wonderful. Just wet my face, wet my neck, put on some Blood of a Dragon. Of course, I love Blood of a Dragon for my styling hair. It's my favorite. Sometimes if my skin is really dry, I'll leave the Blood of a Dragon on my face. I put it in my beard, actually. Yeah, it's really nice for the beard. I put it in my sideburns and, of course, my hair. So it's multi-purpose. I love this product. You can get it in 2-ounce travel or full size. As far as the shampoos go and the conditioners go, I have my favorites, of course, like everybody with the shampoos and the conditioners. I alternate all 5. I'm not going to say which ones are my favorite because we're all different. We have different hair types, different skin types. So what may be my favorite would be for you. No, you'd have another one which would be not my favorite. But I'm strongly suggesting that we build immunities against products. So we want to alternate. So again, all 5 shampoos in my shower. I pick up from the right, shampoo twice, put it back on the left. So the next time I come in, I don't have to think which one I use last. Again, I just pick up from the right, shampoo twice, put it back on the left. Same thing with the conditioners. Pick up from the right, put them back on the left. Wonderful. And we have the only rubber natural scalp massagers on planet Earth. All the rest of them that I've seen and still see are latex, plastic, very, very not healthy, and the body doesn't like it. Really, the body's very sensitive. Once the body really feels something, it can tell in seconds, split second, what's going on. So I use 2 scalp massagers. Start on the head, face, my neck. I do my shoulders, then I do my arms. Underneath, I do the lymph node. Very good. Chest, belly, back, down the legs. Then I can sit down in the shower and I do my feet, soles of my feet, toes. So you're getting a lot of blood and air circulating. These are wonderful. They're stress busters. I leave one by my computer. I have one in my car. Of course, 2 in the shower. And I use them a lot. I love them. All natural boar bristle, and I like the ones with nylon because then I get a really good deep brushing. But if your hair is very thin, we have just pure boar bristle you can use. But I do that in the morning, bend over, brush, stand up and brush. Again, watch our videos. We have so many videos on brushing, scalp massaging, lots of education here. And personally, as a guy, I love the Zen Detox. It's one of my favorite. Being Italian, doing a lot of spas in Europe, especially in Italy, the island of Ischia. I miss that island. It was the original Roman baths 2,500 years ago. Watch our video, just hydrate, powders coming in, clays from all over Europe, volcanic clays. Once it's hydrated, it turns into a cream. So I suggest leaving it, when you mix it, at least 24 hours. I leave mine for weeks, months. If it gets hard, I have it in glass jars, and it gets hard, I just add some water to it, and within half an hour, it turns back into cream. And as long as it's not in any place that's really hot, it's not going to get moldy. It'll last for a long time. It's 72 hours or longer. I do my whole body. So when I use a Zen detox, I'm basically starting from my head, my face, my neck, shoulders, chest, much of the back as I can personally get to, then the back, all the arms underneath, down the legs, all the way down, in between the toes, the soles of the feet. Within 15, 25, 35 minutes, that clay is going to start pulling. It's pulling the toxins, all that residue out of our skin. And then my face starts getting tight. My body starts getting tight. I stay there as long as it's comfortable, a little longer. Then I go into the shower, my trusted scalp massager, and I just stay under the water. So healthy. I feel so relieved and rejuvenated. I do Zen Docs at least once a month. In the summer, I do it more because I can go outside and allow it to dry. It's one of my favorite. Zen Detox, try it, you'll love it. And then of course we have our shampoo bar, conditioner bars. They're wonderful. So if you're traveling or out in nature, they're 100% biodegradable, packaging, everything. So easy to use, especially traveling. But at home, I use them a lot in between my regular shampoos to alternate. We have the Elixir series. My favorite is the 4 series, fire, air, earth, water. I alternate all 4 of them. But I'm a Taurus, I'm earth. So you may want to start off with your sun sign. If you don't want to do all 4, start off with 1 hairline for hair thinning. This is excellent for hair thinning. Right into the hairline, I do the crown. And then take a couple of drops in the daytime and just massage it into my hair. Not so much, you don't want it to get oily. But then I use it on my face. And sometimes I shave with it also. Very nice. Just put it on the face, shave, and leave it there. Wonderful. Diamond crystal mist for spraying the hair. It's wonderful. Hydrating the hair. It's got all these different ingredients in them. Very, very healthy. I have one at my desk and I have one in the bathroom. I love to spray my face. So I'm in the computer, or I'm basically doing some reading, or I'm doing whatever I'm doing here in the office. I'll just take the diamond crystal mist. Wow. Immediately, nice wake-up call. So those are the products I want to share with you to start with. Again, men and women, be healthy, happy, and strong. Let's make it happen. Our health is our wealth. Namaste. Thank you.